Alright, here we have a 1997 Volkswagen Jetta. Rear brakes. As you can see, the tire is already removed. There's 4 actual bolts that bolt the tire on, so you'll need to take those out. After you're done with that, there's what's called a caliper right here, and a bracket right above that. You'll need to take the caliper off first. There's 2 sliding bolts. Well, they've got like a little rubber cushion on them, boot. You take the top one off, and then the bottom one as well. Take that caliper and then hang it up to the strut mounts or whatever else you can find, but just make sure there's not a lot of pressure on that plastic line. After that's done, you can remove the bracket and the rotor and just do everything in reverse and you're good to go.